Hi guys, welcome back to Code with Mousree, and my name is Mousree. And in the past video of the gaming, we saw that the game is very interesting. Do you know that how interesting if you will make the game? Let's see. Wow, there are lots of sprites. Yeah, there are 29 sprites. Can you see? Let's start from the head. These are the costumes of head. Why do you know why I said costume or costumes? Because there are some sprites which have only one costume, and there are some sprites which have several costumes. So I told costume or costumes because I forgot that head has only 4 costumes, which should be head as 4 costumes. Let's see the tutorial. This is the tutorial. You can pause to look the tutorial because I'm doing it fast because I don't want to make another video out of tutorial. Did you see that? It's so interesting. Now let's go to the body. The body's costumes. Oh my goodness. You can upgrade the body. This is the best body ever, you know. These are the scripts of the coat of body. You can see the tutorial or the scripts by pausing the video in your mobile or TV or even laptop or computer. Now let's go to the turret. Turret is very interesting because it's the aim and the shooting. Okay, there are 12 costumes of turtle. See the costumes. Those are very interesting, and these are the upgrade costumes of turret. Not only upgrade costumes, there are some tutorial in these costumes too. Well, these are the scripts of the code of the turret. Did you see that? It's so interesting. If you have any difficulties, consult me in Scratch. I can help. Now let's go to the menu. These are the costumes of the menu. There are 9 costumes. Let's see faster. Okay guys, so we're going to finish. Okay, this is the last. This is the fourth last pets. And the custom pets, there are little cute pets. Hydra, baby Hydra. What is not done yet? Baby Chick, baby Hydra, baby Polar. So cute, yeah. And none is for like extra sport. Okay, so these are the logic scripts, and if you have any problem to read this fast video scripts, then you can tell me in Scratch. I can help you. By the way, I didn't post this game in my account in Scratch because for some problems I didn't, because actually I didn't make this costume. So this costume and the thumbnail. So I don't want to do that because it can make the person who made this sad, because I don't advertise people's name. I always do all myself, my name. In fact, code and scripts are made by me or done by me, what you see. But actually, I don't make false statements. I always think that because there are many scratches here, so what will they think? And always also you, what will they think? Now let's go to backgrounds. Backgrounds, so beautiful. Or backdrops. Let's go to backdrops, and there are a lot more and more. Look, the size. You can pause, or if you can't see, then please tell me. I will help you in Scratch, because I can't help you in YouTube. If I will help you, okay, suppose I will help you in YouTube, then there will be cows. Okay, let's see. And the time. I really love this game. That was incredible. Bye guys, take care.